my Roomba vacuum buddy vacuuming my carpet downstairs here, and I gotta clean the floor when it's done with my Kirby because it needs to be cleaned. It's pretty dirty in here. So I got my rug cleaner attachment on my Kirby, so I'll bring that down after Buddy's done vacuuming. Well, watch, this thing really does work. It picks stuff up. It's pretty amazing. And when it finds a dirty spot that's really dirty, he'll go back and forth over that same spot. He might even stop there and spin for a few minutes. See? He's backing up. He found a really dirty spot that he's going to go back over a few times to get it clean. Look at that. It's amazing. Watch, I'll let him go and I'll show you. He'll finish it in a second, then he'll move on and continue going the opposite. There he goes. See, finished. These Roombas are just incredible. I'm gonna start doing all my house so that I'm gonna get a Wink hub, start getting smart stuff for this house like light bulbs and various different things to connect to that hub. See, he's doing it again. He found another dirty spot. I had him a minute ago before I started the video. He sat in one spot for about probably 5 or 6 seconds before he continued going. He'll even go right along a wall. Watch, see? Oh no, he won't. He's going to go back and forth right now. He'll follow right along the edge of a wall. Found another dirty spot. And when he's done, I'll do a video and I'll show you how much he picked up. You'd be amazed what this thing picks up. I got this one on sale. It's normally $700, and I got it for $550 on Amazon, so it was worth it. It's got a camera lens built into the front of it, up on top, facing the front, so it actually can see where it's going, and it'll map out your whole house. And it's just amazing how good it cleans. Now, there's a lot of stuff laying on the floor here, and he's already picked it all up, all the stuff that he's gone over. One pass and it was gone. Yeah, I have to empty the vacuum once a night. I take the bin and empty it. The vacuum comes out to do my upstairs every night at midnight while we're sleeping. And I have to empty the bin once a night, but I don't mind. They have the new Roomba i7 robot, which has bags, but they're expensive. I'm going to look and see what iRobot's getting for them. Because on Amazon, they wanted, for 3 bags, they wanted like $54. And they're small bags. I'm like, no, way too expensive. Oh, see, Buddy found another spot. Dirty spot, so he's going to go back and forth over that area until he feels that he's got it all up, and then he'll move on. Pretty crazy, huh? Yep, there he goes. Moving on to finish up. Nope, another dirty spot. It's awesome. It's not really that loud. It's quieter than a regular vacuum. So we're happy about that. Alright, just wanted to show you how good my Roomba does. See you, everybody. Okay, back again. I want to show you guys this. See this piece of wood right here? Might even be a pill. Oh, that's a pill. Okay. See this? I'm going to put this down. You watch. I'm going to let this in the path of the Roomba right here. Alright. So see that pill right there? I'll let the Roomba come over this far. He'll be over here in a minute. He's found a dirty spot, okay. He'll be over here in a minute. I'll let him sweep that up. And I'll show you what he can pick up. Pretty amazing. This thing's like, wow. It blows my mind every time. It's got about 3 more passes it'll make as long as I don't find any dirty spots it wants to stop and clean, but I'll show you. Then I'll show you, I'll when he's done, I'll do another video showing you how this, how full the bin is. You'd be amazed what it picks up. keep in mind, there's the pill right there. So maybe on the next pass, or be the pass after that, we'll see. I'll stay right here, and you watch in the path and when he comes across. Now see that brush spinning around right there? That's a little side brush. Some of the vacuums, the robotics have two. You only need the one. So this thing literally went around the whole entire baseboard of this whole room. Okay, here it comes. Let's see if it's going to pick it up this time. Nope, next pass. All right, ready for this? Watch, guys. That's a pretty big piece right there. It'll let him, he's found a dirty spot again. Maybe back by in a second when he's done cleaning that. If he faints, yep, he's done. Okay, let's see. Is he done? Yep. All right, he's going to turn and come back this way. Nope, going a different direction. Wow, really? Okay, let's see what happens. Where's he going? Probably out in the hallway. He did out there already. Yep. All right, let him go out there for a minute. Yeah, I'll move this pill, actually. He'll have to come back through the doorway, so. All right, here he comes. See if he's going to vacuum out here. Okay, I'm going to put it right here. Watch this. Here he comes. Let's see if he's going to pick this pill up. He's vacuuming right now. He found a dirty spot. Nope, he's going to do some more vacuuming. And he goes right around stuff. It's really amazing. Okay. I'll let him come out. Okay, let's see if he picks it up. Nope. He's going to stay out there and clean a little bit. Here, I'm going to move this pill, put it right in the path of where he'll come through. Here he goes. Picked it up. Look at that, it's gone. Amazing, huh? And I'll show you when I empty the bin, that pill will be right in there, so. This thing just blows me away. When I come down with the Kirby, all that looks like dirty area, that'll be gone. I just got to clean that all up. Found another dirty spot again. All right, see you, everybody. Okay, now for the moment of truth. Let's open up the iRobot's bin. Wow. Look what it found down there. Oh my God, look at that. That's nuts. That's what that thing, all that stuff that it picked up. And that was completely empty because I had it emptied and all ready to go out and do its vacuuming tonight at midnight. And it was all ready to go. So now I got a little shop vac right here, and this is how I clean my Roomba out. Just turn my vacuum on and I'll show you. So I have a little shop vac that I use for cleaning dust out of people's computers. I use it for Buddy now too. God, look at that. Stuck right on. Hold on. Alright, let's see if I can. Oh yeah, I gotta show you where that pill is. Hold on. Okay. That pill's in here somewhere. I'll come across it. God. It's clogging my vacuum up. Sorry, guys. Let's see if I can find that fill. Alright, let me shut this off for a minute. Yeah, it's in here somewhere. I picked up a lot of dirt. Look at all that. Wow. That's a lot. Alright, well, I'm going to finish cleaning this out, so catch you guys later. See ya.